Travis Dempsey, I'm the superintendent of Gadsden ISD. To understand Gadsden, we're the southern part of New Mexico, and we're not just a Title I school, we're a Title I district. So our very large population that would fall into a low socioeconomic category. This gives them an opportunity to get out there and be a front runner because mathematics can be universal, and then they get their hands on it so they truly can understand it. And I think it just gives our kids an opportunity to see some things that they may not ever get to see normally, and then it hooks them. That's why we're really wanted to roll it out in elementaries, because we want to get them hooked early. We want to get them hooked as early as we possibly can so that that should set them on a path to take those advanced level courses all the way through their secondary. So when they leave us, they're truly ready to go to higher ed and jump into those high level courses, and hopefully be the next engineer that's running a spaceport for us or something of that nature, right? You gotta find items that are gonna excite kids and build that engagement. And a book's not gonna do it anymore. It's not. This has got technology tied to it. It's got the mathematics standards. Getting kids excited about physics and how to use that, I think is the way that we're gonna engage kids in our secondary schools. Next Gen science standards did roll out, and we are in Next Gen, and they require labs. They require hands-on activities to experiment and understand those standards. And quite frankly, no other textbook I've ever seen in my career delivers this, right? And that's where these physics kits are just amazing. Where we're trying to focus is upper elementary and middle school. And the reason why we think that's important is very few of our upper elementary teachers have a strong background in STEM related content, right? Science and math. And which is what really intrigued me about our physics in a box, where I can take these items and I can deliver 60 different experiments, if you will, or labs that are really simple to put together. And that's what those teachers need to feel comfortable in that environment. Once you get them a little bit comfortable, there's a little bit of magic that happens. And this can just make a classroom just change the dynamic, where that engagement's there, kids are excited, staff is excited, parents love hearing about it and seeing it. And once you get all those three things going in the right direction, it's powerful, and it makes a lot of difference for kids. This to me is the best, and it's very durable. I mean, these are well-built kits that are not, they're not plastic, they're not gonna break on you. And the minute I saw it though, I saw the way to apply it. And so I kind of nerd out on that a little bit. And, but I'm excited about using it. And I'm really thankful that I've been given the opportunity and I can roll it out to kids.